guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning in my memory planner. I went ahead and already laid down the spread and put everything, like all my character stickers and stuff down. Starting in 2025 I stopped doing that, and I'm only doing that for kits that I'm not quite sure how the layout will work yet. But we needed to finish 2024, so we're going to be planning for the week of December 2nd through the 8th with this kit, which was from Glam Planner, and it was a mystery kit, I believe, and it was the Home for the Holidays. So I used foil from the I don't remember what foil bundle I used for this one. If I used any. Yeah, I did. I used like a snowflake and mistletoe one. So I used a mixture of one that I had on hand and one that came with the actual kit. I have two custom multis from Plannahannah in a matte silver. So we're just gonna go ahead and get on with it, and I will tell you where everything came from. But I do have a December script here, so I'm going to put December down. And for Monday the 2nd, this clock was actually from a old foil bundle that I used, and I'm putting down Sleep In. That, ooh, I don't remember where that phone is, but I had a phone scroll that morning, the little baby and the mommy, that is from Glam Planner, and I had cuddles with my daughter. Let's see, y'all, I don't remember what the star is for right this second, but I believe, yeah, that was for a YouTube bench. Oh, I remember what that is for. I believe this is for a wax, so I had a wax appointment that day. I read and we had Wendy's for lunch, I'm pretty sure. I took a nap, and we played board games that night. So now I'll go over, this was from an old foil bundle, this was from an old foil bundle, this I don't remember the book where it's from. The little burger is from a foil bundle. The little pig, that shop is no longer open, that is from Plans. And then this board stack is from Stick with the Plan Co, I believe. This little couple munchkin, my husband and I slept in because he was home. This little diamond painting is from Carlea Plans. Again, the book, I don't remember where it's from. I had cuddles with my daughter, which is from Glam Planner. The little pig holding the play button is from Plans, who is no longer open. The TV is from an old foil bundle, which I watched, oh come on, Mike and Molly. We had steak for dinner, which this is from the Papershire. And then I have a little bath sticker down here that's from an old foil bundle. Up here, let me see, the heart was for Dookie. I don't remember what the heart is for right this second, but oh no, I remember now. It was for Cuddles from an old foil bundle. This munchkin holding the coffees is from Once More with Love. I did read this day. And there's a little icon there from a foil bundle. I diamond painted, again, that's from little green tray, and pen is from Carlea Plans. I have a YouTube binge where there's a little play button from a foil bundle. I cleaned with this little girl from Scribble Prints Co. I have this little Captain Hook from Plans, and we played Villainous that night. And then the little like bath bombs there is from Planner Face, and I had a bath that night. On to Thursday. I packed in the morning from the little icon is from the foil bundle. I was Virginia bound because I was going to my mommy's, and that is from Once More with Love. My daughter and I stopped at a bookstore called Second and Charles. The little bookstore is from Papershire. We were at my mom's house. Got to my mom's house and I used that little munchkin with the hearts. That is from Once More with Love. We went to a restaurant called Andrea's that I like. And the little spaghetti and meatballs is from Papershire. There's the little phone there from a foil bundle, and I talked to my husband that night. On to Friday. I was with my grandma, so we went to Sam's Club. The cart is from the foil bundle. This little grocery bag with groceries in it. We also went to Costco. We had lunch together. And we got pizza at Costco. I don't remember. Oh yeah. I watched, pretty sure, Mike and Molly. That is from a foil bundle. This little music note is from a foil bundle. My sister had a chorus concert this night. And then this is from Plans, and I went to bed early. This little wine glass is from a foil bundle, and this is the day my mom went on a girls' weekend. This little bag here, I had lunch with my grandpa. This little diamond paint sticker is from Carlea Plans. This little burger. Oh wait, I messed up. In the morning, my friend Katie came to my mom's house. That's right. In the afternoon, we had lunch with my grandpa, and my friend Katie brought me Chick-fil-A. That evening, I had a YouTube binge. I watched a movie with the kids. And then on Sunday, this little paw is from a foil bundle, which I don't remember. I was just using up what I had. And actually, yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. I was up early this day. there's a phone there, and I got to talk to my husband from a foil bundle. I diamond painted again. Again, the little tray and pen is from Carlea Plans. Yeah, that's right. No, oh, okay. Cuddles with my daughter. I forgot to get a script for that. So let me... look here. Yeah. I binged watched some YouTube. And then Sunday night I went to bed early. And that's from a little foil bundle. And then those two are done. I love how this looks. It looks so pretty. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.